This is a video demonstration for the DEK Horizon screen printer. I'm going to start with a walk around the machine. Just showing you here the covers here. The machine's in excellent condition. Over here on this skid, which does not come with the machine, some accessories that will come with the machine, including the blades, and this is quick change for the stencil cleaner. Up on the screen here is QC calc results of the boards we've run. We've run about 30 so far. You can see it's well within specification. And now we're going to run a few boards. You'll notice we have a SMEMA box hooked up to the machine, so the machine believes it's in line. We'll be sending it SMEMA signals. It's finding fiducials. Raise the stencil, raise the board. You can see the copper pads through the stencil. We'll run it the other direction, and then we'll do a screen clean. See the cleaner extending. That's the vacuum turning on. Clean cycle is complete. Okay, that's our demonstration. Please let us know if you have any questions. Thank you.